Hi Clarinets, thanks for tuning in for today's video. It's on the song Rivers by Samuel Hazo. It's the second movement following our Kingsland Spring in the Georgian Suite. This piece is in 3/4 time and it's got B flats in the key signature. So we'll be sure that we play each of our B flats correctly. Let's get started and play the first opening section of the piece, which is the first 6 measures. 1, 2, 3, A, ready, go. And the term there, nient, means to die away to nothing. So there's a grand pause moment that also happens. Now we're going to play from measure 7 to measure 12, theme A. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 7, ready, go. At measure 12, theme B, abbreviated, happens. Watch out in measure 13 for your D flat or C sharp, followed by B flat. Let's go from 12 to measure 22, where the fermata is. 1, 2, 3, measure 12, ready, begin. That fermata gets cut off. There's a measure of 3/4 time and then another grand pause. Following that is measure 25, 6 measures of rest, a measure of 4/4 of rest, then 5 measures of 3/4 rest. So lots of resting. Remember to count those rests so you know when to come in for number 37. That's where we're going to start right now. 37 to 47. 1, 2, 3, 37, and go. At measure 47, it says slightly faster. We're going to keep our tempo right where it's at so that we're making the right rhythm and note choices, but let's play 47 to measure 60. If you look carefully, there is a divisi note, so try to play each note every now and then and see which one works best for your group. And then there's an E flat dotted half note that will happen in this section and a D flat dotted half note. And then a B flat dotted half note, followed by, at the end of this line, the note A flat. That's 3 fingers on top, 3 fingers on the bottom, and the pinky key. So we'll play that E flat in that section. Let's do it. 47 to 60. 1, 2, 3, 47, ready, go. The last note isn't E flat, it's E natural, because the key signature only has B flats. I hope in measure number 47, 48, 49, in measure 49 of that section, did you play your high B flat in those 3 notes? Mark it if you missed it. Now we'll pick up where we left off in measure 60. There's 5 measures rest, and we return to that note A flat. 3 fingers, and our pinky. We're going to start right on that A flat quarter note right now, and we're going to play up to measure 70. 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3. Be sure to do that molto, ritardando, and the crescendo that happens that brings us up to 70. Here, it's slightly slower. We'll keep our metronome where it's at, and we're going to go from 70 to 81. A whole lot of flats happen here. Make sure they're marked, and make sure you play them correctly. 1, 2, 3, 70. Ready, go. The last line is pretty easy. Let's go from 81 to the end. 1, 2, 3, B flat, 81, go. And there you have Rivers, from our Kingsland Spring to Rivers of our Georgian Suite. Now it's your turn to practice this one time with a metronome. I had mine set at 65, which is kind of around the right speed, but then try playing along with the recording so that you can see how your piece fits into the others in ensemble. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.